39 years old. And a phone screen glowing blue. I found the words he wrote her on a Tuesday after 10. Sat down on that bathroom floor, and I didn't cry, not then. 'Cause the ache that rose up through me wasn't him and wasn't blame. It was catching my reflection and not knowing her by name. 22 years of everybody else, 22 years of last, standing at the sink at midnight, watching all of it go past. I didn't know the woman in the mirror. Somewhere in the years she slipped away. Lord, I'd give anything to tell her she was never gone. She was only waiting on the day. There's a red dress in my closet, still in plastic, pushed on back. And I tried it on that Sunday, and I felt the zipper catch. Sat out in that parking lot, 40 minutes, engine off, till my cousin came and found me, saying, "Mary, that's enough." She said, "I'm the same age, 2 more kids, and I'm lighter than I've been. I quit fighting my own body, and I started feeding it again. More old blood orange in the sun, hibiscus and the vine, red chili and fenugreek, 3 little things at breakfast time. It was never gonna save me, and it never claimed it would, but it walked beside me every morning while I did the work I should. Half a pound and then a pound, nothing you would post about, just a calendar of X's and a woman figuring it out. Till I bent down on the porch one day to tie my walking shoes, and I stood back up, not out of breath. And baby, that was news. Now I know the woman in the mirror, 9 months and a red dress zipped today. He noticed, everybody noticed, but I noticed first. And that's the only thing I'll say. She was never gone. She was only waiting on the day.